Today I'm giving you a quick, honest review of Direct Card Reserve Invest and whether it's actually worth your money. So, what is it? Direct Card Reserve is basically marketed as a fast access financial card solution that promises easy approval, quick funding, and flexible spending limits. Sounds good on paper, but here's what I found. First, the sign-up process is pretty straightforward, and yes, approvals can be fast for some users. But the catch is in the fees. There are setup costs, ongoing service charges, and in some cases, higher than expected interest, depending on how you use it. Now, is it useful? If you need short-term access to funds and you're okay with the fees, it can work as a backup option. But I wouldn't recommend relying on it for long-term financial planning. My honest take? It's not a scam, but it's definitely not free money either. So overall, I'd say useful in emergencies, but read the fine print carefully before signing up.